Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the 90-day reporting regime here in the Kingdom with respect to 90-day reports which need to be made with immigration. I made this video because although we've discussed at length this topic in other videos on this channel, we were mostly discussing the sort of the mechanics of the 90-day report, and I really didn't get into sort of the why. Why do you have to do a 90-day report in Thailand? Well, I was having this conversation with some expat friends the other day, and they were somewhat interested in the answer, at least my analysis of it. So I figured probably a video on this is warranted. So I get this question fairly, not overly frequently, but often enough that I take note of it, that basically other foreigners here in the Kingdom will tell me, hey, I've been in the Kingdom, I've been in Thailand for 10 years. Why am I doing this 90-day reporting thing? Or I've been living, they issue a one-year visa, but then require, that I return to do 90-day reports, every 90 days if I don't leave the Kingdom. Well, the reason for it is it's actually part and parcel with the inherent nature of the underlying visa itself. As most people sort of say, but they kind of overlook, most of the folks that are in Thailand in long-term visa status are here in some sort of non-immigrant category. And that literally means that they're here on a temporary basis. Whereas folks that have permanent residence here in the Kingdom of Thailand, they're not presumptively here on a temporary basis. Well, what's that got to do with 90-day reporting? Well, 90-day reporting was essentially set up to keep track of those in the Kingdom for temporary purposes, because those who immigrate, those who have an immigrant visa, aka permanent residence, they go into the house registration book system. And as we've noted at length in other videos on this channel, the Thai house registration book system sort of acts as sort of an ongoing census, for example. It's very useful with respect to constructive notice, with respect to service of process in court proceedings, etc. But those who are here temporarily, they're not in the house registration system. And as a result of that, there has to be some mechanism to keep track of those folks. And the Thai immigration authorities in their wisdom decided the 90-day reporting scheme was the best way to go about keeping track of those individuals. So the next time you're sitting around wondering, why am I doing this? Well, it has a lot more to do with the inherent nature of the underlying visa category than it does with any sort of ongoing desire on the part of the Thai authorities to make one have to show up every 90 days and report with respect to their address. It's basically just a measure to keep track of folks who are in the Kingdom on a presumptively temporary basis.